Welcome back to Ashley at Home. Today we're just going to jump right into 2 grocery hauls.
All right, so this first haul is from ALDI's. I'll just jump in and then I'll tell you how much we spent. So we got the styrofoam plates. We got 2 of those. 2 of the 2 packs of paper towels. So for bread, we got the hamburger buns, 2 loaves of the white bread, and this is, what is this? Cinnamon raisin bagels, 2 chips. We always get the kettle cooked. We got the salt and vinegar and the mesquite barbecue. Ran out of jam. We don't really actually care for jelly, but I needed it, so we got the jelly. Great. The peanut butter crackers. They reduced the price on this variety pack of oatmeal. So for produce, we got 2 things of bananas, celery, 2 bags of this shredded lettuce, and we have asparagus, so we got that. Beefsteak tomatoes, and then all we got for frozen is the sausage links, and these are the cinnamon French toast sticks. So we don't actually eat these for breakfast. They are so sweet. We just eat them as a snack. And I got a gallon of milk. So my total was, let's see, $35.04 for all that. From Sam's Club, we picked up the 160 count of Totino's pizza rolls, the plastic pepper rings, the banana peppers, Members Mark waffle fries, and the mesquite grilled chicken. This total came out to $33 and some change. Now, the mesquite grilled chicken is going to my mother-in-law, so that one would be hers.
So this is the next day, and I'm finally getting a chance to actually clean out my fridge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment.